In this video, we will learn how to generate CSR certificate in Ubuntu system. So let's get started. So you can see here, I already opened my terminal and also I'm going to specific path. So now I need to run OpenSSL command. So you can follow this command, open SSL, and then you say space request, and then you need to pass dash new key, and then you need to rsa colon 2048, what is the okay, and then you need to pass nodes, and then you say key out, and then you need to pass your key file name. So you need to add your domain name. So like I will simply say your domain dot key, and then I will say dash out, and then I will say your and domain dot I will say simply CSR. Okay, and now you need to simply hit enter. Okay, and it will generate and it will ask you the country name. So I will simply say country, so I will say India, and then I will provide my state name. So I will say Gujarat, and then I will say locality, what is the city of you live. So I will say Rajkot, and then I will say your organization name, like your company name. So I will say simply company and hit enter. Now it asks you like your unit. So I will say simply IT department. Okay, and hit enter. Now it asks you like common name. So what is your domain name? So I will simply add your domain dot com. Okay, simply say and hit enter. Now it asks you the email address. So I will say savani hd@gmail.com. Okay, and now you can see that they're asking the password, so it's optional, so you can hit enter as well. So hit enter. It's also company name is optional, so I will simply make it enter. Now let me go and run ls command. So you can see there is a two file created, your domain.csr and your domain.key. So now you can see that this file is generated. So this file you can use for the like Apple developer account or uh, whatever like website they're asking for CSR file. Okay, so now I want to check like this CSR file has a correct detail and correct generated. So I'm going to go here this website. Okay, and I will check with that certificate. Okay, so I just need to run like cat, and I will say your domain dot CSR and hit enter. You can see that there is a certificate request generated, so that I simply need to copy it. Okay, and go here, and you can see here paste. Okay, and you can see here it's generated and fetch the proper information. You can see that your domain name.com, organization name, organization unit, locality, and you can see that Rajkot and state and India country. Okay, you can also check in your system. So you just need to copy this. Okay, and you have to simply go and change your CSR file name over here. So I will simply say your domain.csr. Okay, and hit enter. You can see that it also running like it's also fetching the proper information, like you can see that country and state and all the things. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how easily you can generate the CSR token. Okay, so thank you so much for watching guys. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.